Hello, Kaz's vlog.
Just a sad boy singing sad country songs.
Thank you.
Yep. Good morning, guys. Perfect, thank you.
Hey, son.
Hi.
Boney. Welcome back to Nashville.
Let me tell you right now, I vlog so hard, motherfucker wanna find me. Hi, YouTube.
We came to the Sounds game with the whole group, our friends, everybody.
This is how we do it.
That's Hunter. He's too much.
He's a legend.
Someone took names and throw them off.
This isn't the right bottle for it. Okay.
Wow! I'm gonna murder.
Hi, Savannah. Konnichiwa.
That's what you get.
Oh no. Bye. Hey guys.
That worked? Hey, little brother.
Hey man.
Me and Jason are just hanging out here. Why are we back in Nashville? Well, going back to Sweden in like a couple weeks, and yeah, just wanted to come see our friends. Like I said a couple videos ago, most of our good friends are now in Nashville, even though I just played here for 1 year. But me and Jason got a lot of stuff done, and make sure to check out his YouTube channel, by the way. He does better vlogs than I do.
Oh, stop.
He's just working on a video right now.
I'll get it out, I swear.
Vlog Lord.
I swear.
We are also just spitballing over here. We might bring a podcast to life.
Whoa.
What do you say about that?
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, just something about content creation, and Jason is really good at
No.
video making, photography, so he does all that kind of stuff, production man, so he has a lot of the tech stuff that I don't know, and you know, me just going through my life as posting content as an athlete. But yeah, it'd be fun to chat it up. Jason's got the personality.
We're just the dream team. That's all there is.
Dream
to it,
team, that's all we need. Let us know, I guess. I don't know if you would be interested in a podcast, but that's something that we're working on. But
What would we talk about?
why we make YouTube?
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. What's going on, YouTube?
Vlog Lord.
It's Kaz and Whitney's last
Behind the
day,
scenes.
and their final few hours here in Nashville. So I think we're gonna jump in the pool, and
My camera and my channel says hi to your camera and your channel.
we're gonna jump in the pool. Anne's got to get out of the country.
I gotta go to Sweden, right? I gotta come play some hockey.
Bye, guys.
It's time for goodbyes, but I'll see you in Sweden.
Hey, everybody.